In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated finance tracker in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Notion, you'll be able to follow along. The goal is to get a ready-made automated finance tracker up and running using a template from the Notion marketplace, rather than building everything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want this tracker to live. At the left side of your screen, you should see your usual pages and navigation, and at the top of Notion's interface, there is a section where you can access the marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion collects templates created either by Notion or by other creators, and it's the fastest way to get a polished system set up. Once the marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the phrase Finance Tracker. You don't need to type anything else. This keyword is enough for Notion to pull up templates designed specifically for tracking money, budgets, and transactions. After a moment, you'll see a list of finance-related templates appear. Look through the options and find a finance tracker template that looks robust, with features like income tracking, expense tracking, and maybe some automation or roll-ups already set up. When you've identified the finance tracker you want to use, click on it to select it. This will open a more detailed page about that specific template. On this template page, you'll see a description, some screenshots, and usually a breakdown of what's included, such as databases and dashboards. To get a closer look and make sure it's right for you, click on the preview button. This will open a live preview of the template so you can scroll through it just like a normal Notion page. Take a moment here to scan the sections. Check how transactions are recorded, how budgets are summarized, and whether the layout makes sense to you. This is important because once you add it to your workspace, you'll likely customize it based on your own finances. If you're happy with what you see in the preview, you're ready to actually bring this tracker into your own Notion. Look for the Add button, usually at the top right of the template preview. Click on Add. Notion will then create a copy of this finance tracker inside your workspace. From here, you can start entering your own income and expenses, adjust categories, and let the built-in formulas and automations handle the tracking for you.